Good morning. Today is 18th of July 2020 and I am taking class 8 English 2. So yesterday we have finished exercise number 8. Today we will start with rules, okay, where we add the, right? Before we have learned, right, the uses of a and an, right? And I told you what is indefinite and definite, right? I'll tell you one more time. Indefinite meaning which is not specific, right? That means any. You can have, there is a box of chalk. If I ask you, give me a piece of chalk, you can pick up anything and give me. But if someone asks me, give me the pencil you are writing, then we are using the. You can have any pencil, but he wants the pencil that you are writing, meaning it's specific. That's why the, that is definite. Okay, definite meaning specific, indefinite not specific. Then a and n, uses of a and n I have told you before. A and n sits before singular noun, right? And a sits before consonant and n sits before vowel, that we have already found. Then the also sits before, right, specific things, okay? Then unique, something which is unique, right? Suppose the earth or the stars, they are unique, right? They are one thing, okay? Like there is only one earth, the thing called earth, or there is only one unique things like stars, right? So before it we use the. So today we will learn some new rules, different kind of rules, right? So where do we use the other than those? That will be the first one is superlative. Before superlative we use the. I think we have done this in our previous chapters. I think in chapter 2, where we were learning different degrees of comparison, right? Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. And I told you superlative degree you always need to add the. So before superlative degree we use the. For example, the tallest boy, okay? The biggest ball, okay? So before superlative degree we use the, right? Then nouns that are unique, okay, or probably the one, only one that exists, or universally known truth, meaning everyone knows. Universally meaning everyone, okay? Like the sun, everyone knows sun exists, there is only one sun, right? Universally known. Or the stars, okay? The what to say, moon, okay? So in before that we use the. Then before country's name that has common noun like states or kingdom or republic, these are common noun. If in the name of a country these are there, so before that we use the. For example, what is the country name where common noun states is there? That will be the United States of America, okay? The United States of America. So states is here common noun, okay? Then we will use the. Similarly for kingdom, the United Kingdom, right? Or republic, the Republic of China, the Republic of Ireland, right? So before, in a country name, if we have states, kingdom or republic, we use the article the, okay? Then other than that, well-known ranks or position. Rank or position, suppose the president of a country, okay? Or commander. Commander is a rank in army, right? So before that, these are well-known ranks or position, okay? So before that we use what? The, okay? Then names of musical, instruments, the tabla, the piano, the violin, okay? So before that we use the. So here these are the rules where we use the, but there are similar rules where we do not use the, right? For example, before an individual name means my name, your name. Suppose my name is Kashmiri. I don't say my name the Kashmiri Deka, right? Why? Because we do not use the before individual name. We do not use names of countries or continents or cities or states. Before that we do not use the, right? Remember, we only use the in name of country where there are common nouns like kingdom, okay, or republic or states, correct? But generally, in general, before the name of a country we do not add the, right? Then before the name of days, months, season, we do not use the. We don't say the January or the Monday. We don't say it like that, okay? In general, when we generally use the name of a month, the name of a day, we do not use the, or the name of a festival or name of seasons, okay, or games, we do not use the, right? And before the name of a subject or language, we don't say the Hindi, okay, the English, the French, we don't say it. Or subjects like the mathematics, the science, the English to the English one, we don't say it, okay? So that is wrong. But there are some, what to say, examples where we do use it. How? Suppose name of a country which is consist of group, right? For example, the Philippines. This is pronounced as Philippines. This is plural form, okay? Country's name that comes in plural form, there we add the. In general, we don't say the India because India is not India's, right? So we do not use the India's, but we say the Philippines because it is plural countries, okay, because it comes in a group. Or the Netherlands, right? Netherlands, plural again. Or like islands name, right? Andaman and Nicobar Islands, right? So before that we do use the. Then well-known buildings name, right? The Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar, before that we use the. Then rivers and seas, right? Before river and sea we use the, like the Arabian Sea or the Pacific Ocean, okay? So before those also we use the. And mountain ranges, okay? Mountain range means together a group of mountains like the Himalayas, the Rocky Mountains. They are not one mountain, that is a range of mountains. Many mountains together make a group. So this group, before that we use the article the name of newspapers or magazines, right? And then name of families, family name, surname, right? Suppose we have Sharma, right? So when we together talk about that family, right, we don't say the full name, we say the Sharmas, okay? That means the group, okay? The family, whole family. When we say the Sharmas, the whole family. So before that we use the, okay, the Sharmas or the Kapoors, right? We add an as adan to make it plural. Like when we say that, that means what? It means the whole family. So before that we add the. So in this way what do? We use the, right? Even in days and month, right, we generally don't use the January or the Monday, but sometimes we do use it when we relate an incident. Suppose we had an exam in January, so the January when ma'am took exam, right? So there we will add the January, right? Because exam is related to this, right? So in this situation we will use the, but in general we do not use the January or the Monday like that, okay? I hope you understand so far. If there is any confusion, okay, ask me, and please read page 20, page 19 to 20, more rules for using the, so that you can have a better understanding, okay? Then in our next class we will do exercise B, okay? Thank you.